So the song set for soprano guitar is an interesting piece. There were, three of us were working on it, and the guitarist, had made a suggestion. He said, I have these poems by Mary Oliver that I really like. I want you to take a look at them. And I read them, and yeah, there were some very nice ones, some that I engaged with immediately. And he said, well, I'll tell you what, I will write to her agent and see if we can get permission to use these songs. I said, great, that sounds fine. So he writes off, wait a couple weeks. We get back this letter, which is basically a rejection letter. So he was very downcast, like, oh, what are we going to do? And I said, well, I think the first thing we should do is we should set the rejection letter. Because while we can't legally set any of the poems, they mailed us this letter directly. They can't claim copyright to it since it's our property. So let's just make that the first song. And so that's what we did. That's what I did. And then from there, he was like, well, I have some poems I've written. And then, Liz, the soprano, I have some poems I've written. And I wrote one. So it kind of became this community piece, which grew out of this rejection, which could have, shut the whole project down, but really became kind of the touchstone for creating the whole set.